Let's talk about sweet itch. Sweet itch is an allergic reaction that your horse has in response to an insect, a no-see-um, a midge, or a gnat. And these tiny little butt heads like to bite your horse. And normally that's not an issue, except if your horse is very sensitive to these jerks. And it's so itchy that your horse will actually scratch their skin off. And of course, then things get itchier because then the flies come back and they create another reaction, and your horse's skin is already really sensitive and broken, and it just creates this circular effect that you cannot get out of. And it's most commonly seen on your horse's dorsal side, meaning from poll to the top of the tail, because that's where those bugs like to land. And you're going to need to use special fly sheets that cover your horse, literally almost every inch of them. And your vet might need to start giving your horse maybe some steroids and some antibiotics and some anti-itchy things. You might have special shampoos, but we need to break that cycle of being bitten and being itchy and scratching. But horses can also rub their tails specifically for a lot of different reasons. They can have a tick, they can have lice, they can have mites, they can have leftover shampoo or conditioner that is irritating the skin. They might need their sheath or their udders clean, and yes, mares can get beans. They might also have pinworms. Those are little worms that live in the very far end of your horse's digestive tract. They come out at night, they lay your eggs under your horse's tail, everything gets itchy, it's horrible, and your vet needs to come out and verify that that's what it is, and then you can get the correct deworming for it. As with all things horse, it could be a lot of different things, so the best thing to do to make things cost effective for you and get your horse some relief is to loop your vet in as soon as you see an issue.